My name is Ethan Hao from Manjusri Secondary School. I got to know Ace Your POA from a friend of mine who was also from this tuition center. Before coming to Ace Your POA, I was scoring constant F9. It was so bad until I usually scored 0 because I didn't want to attempt my paper. But after coming to this tuition center, my current grade is B3 and I'm actually aiming for A1 now. I find the lesson very effective as compared to my normal lessons in school, as Alex will go through every aspect of all the questions, and if I don't understand anything, he will always ask if I'm okay or not. Therefore, after coming to this POA tuition, my grades improved significantly. The experience was actually very good because I learned a lot of things in a short span of time. Usually if I were to do all of it in school, it usually take like 1 month, but I learned almost all the syllabus within like a short span of time. The lessons are actually much more better than the others because first of all, Alex will go through everything, all the important points, and even the not important ones he will also go through. And he will consistently ask if you are okay or doing, and ask us questions in the middle of the video, ask if you are doing okay or not, ask if you are like paying attention. It was actually very effective, and I learned a lot of things online. One significant moment I remember was during the circuit breaker. He actually put in a lot of hard work. He went around the entire Singapore delivering notes for us. Not only that, he fell sick also, went to the hospital, but the next day he still continued teaching. He's very hardworking and he's a prime example of what a good teacher should be. Before coming to Ace Your POA, I actually thought that POA was very hard. I couldn't do it at all. I was a constant F9 student, but after coming to this tuition center, I'm more confident in myself. And I believe that because of this tuition center, I'm able to get an A1 from my O level. I would actually recommend Ace Your POA to my peers, my juniors. No matter what's your grades, good or bad, you should just come here to strengthen your foundation in POA, because if you are good in POA and you come here, you make it even better to A1 caliber. And even if you are a failing student just like me, you're also able to become an A1 caliber because he's going to teach you all the foundations and how to score well in POA. I want to tell Mr. Quack, because of him, I'm more confident in myself. I'm able to get a better grade, and even an A1. And because of him, I'm able to maybe go to junior college and the poly course that I want. Thank you Ace Your POA, and thank you Mr. Quack. You're one of the best teachers that I know.